Hello everyone, this is a tutorial to show you how to access the portfolio section on Managebac for your child. So first you need to select your child over here and then you click on the name. I'm going to choose Ziyad as one of our students in grade 3 and you need to go and click on portfolio. We've seen before the calendar and other things. For here you need to click on portfolio to see the child's work. So it shows as a timeline and it shows you specific things that were posted by the teacher from before. So you have different artifacts and they will load, sometimes pictures, sometimes files, according to what you should, sometimes a link like that or a certificate, depending on what the teachers have been posting here. You can also like and you can also add a comment on the artifacts. You can also search for something and it will show you the content of what you've been searching for. If you want to see other artifacts from before, you need to click on the historical PYP portfolio. Thank you for watching the tutorial. If you have any questions, please send me an email on rawana@wellspring.edu.lb.